Good morning, good morning. I'm back from my most anticipated trip in Europe. 1 week, 7 nights, 7 days. I'm back with great news. My friend, we got a PD request granted, okay? In this video, I am going to lay out some foundations for you. I'm gonna explain a little bit more in details, and I am going to give you some timelines, some strategies. And by the end of the video, if you need a consultation with me, please schedule it by using the consultation link in the description box below. As you know it, my name is Bijoux Ngwanda. I'm an immigration lawyer based here in DC. However, we do have clients across the country and around the world because we are dealing with complex US immigration law cases. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you are not new, welcome back. Sorry, if you're new, welcome back. No, if you're not new, welcome. I'm so excited, to be honest with you. Let's just get right into it. If you're not new, welcome back. If you're new, please go ahead and subscribe. Let's just get into it. This is a case where a client came here in the United States on a J2 visa back in 2002 and tried to change from J2 to F2 because, dependent of a J1, they have J2. And then if you're changing from a J2, you're going to change to F2, student visa. It got denied. She tried to apply for asylum. Asylum was referred to court. Then she did not appear in court because, she never received a notice to appear. And her lawyer is no longer alive, passed away. Then she retained me to apply for adjustment of status based on marriage. We knew that she was in removal, right? When you removal, you cannot adjust status with USCIS. However, we had to make an argument because we wanted her to get a work permit. So we made an argument of jurisdiction with USCIS. We applied for waivers. Waiver got denied based on lack of jurisdiction. Case got administratively closed based on lack of jurisdiction. However, when a case is administratively closed, you still have the right to work. So I-130 was approved and she still has the right to work. So we got to, apply for work permit for the second time, got approved, 5 years work permit. The first one got approved for 2 years and USCIS administratively closed the case. Now we have to go to ICE to reopen the case. Mind you, first of all, the case has been pending with USCIS for 3 years. We got the I-130 approval after 3 years. Why? I don't know. USCIS delays. We really try too hard to push on it with Congressman's office, Ombudsman office, but finally they approve it after 3 years, right? September of 2021 to September of 2023. But the good strategy was the fact that we tried to claim jurisdiction allowed her to basically retain the right to work permit even though the case was administratively closed, which is not a big deal. We're going to calendar it. We're going to put it back on the calendar after the judge signed the motion to dismiss the case. So, and today, last week, basically, before I travel, I filed a motion to dismiss, joint motion to reopen the case and to dismiss removal. And ICE did not oppose it. Here are 3 things you have to retain about ICE not being able to oppose it. First of all, we had to argue that this person is an essential worker because she's a nurse. We show licenses of working as a nurse. We show degrees. This person worked during COVID-19, so she has something of value to provide to this community. Number 2, no criminal records, nothing on the subject. Number 3, we had to show that she had been approved of a waiver for J2, waiving the 2 requirements for adjustment of status. Okay, those are the 3 main things we were able to prove. And in order to get us to join the motion to reopen, you have to be able to show them that this person in question is eligible to adjust status. And when we show that this person is eligible to adjust status, we did show the income the jointly filed income of the husband, the petitioner, who has sufficient income to support the wife. We show ties to this community. She has children born here, going to college. We show that she's useful to this community, essential worker by way of working as a nurse, registered nurse in this country, and work during COVID-19. We show that this person is really valuable because they have no criminal record, and this person is eligible and admissible because the waiver of 2 years J2 visa was approved by the way of husband having a J1 waiver approved, because it's a family type of waiver. Okay, so we're able to demonstrate adjustment of status. That's what you need to show if you really want us to agree with you. And it's not always work in our favor, but when he does work on our favor, it really goes well for the client. Okay, so we receive a granted motion to basically motion to not to oppose. Basically, they are joining the motion, joint motion to reopen, and they are not opposing anything. And they want us to send it, because we send a draft proposed, but they want us to send another one so they can sign it, so we can send it to court. And when we send it to court, the court's not going to take that long, because this is Baltimore. Almost 30 days. Once the judge is available to sign, the judge will sign and dismiss proceedings. Oh my gosh, this is really great news for someone who's been living for 20 years in this country, and you can go everywhere, but if you go somewhere that you trust your lawyer, you trust the strategy that your lawyer provides to you, you will get there. And if we don't get there, we try another way. It takes time, but we get there. The goal was for her to get this green card so she can travel next year by May. I told her we will get there. Once we decide to deliver, we deliver. And it doesn't mean that every time we win, but even if we don't win, we strategize to restart again with different means or strategies. I'm going to talk in the next video of other people who the PD request was denied, and I'm going to give you the reason why I believe it was denied, even though I didn't say it, but I know why it was denied, and I know how we're going to go about it for the second time with the court, and hope for the best. This is really great news. If you need a consultation with me, this is your time. The Dolly memo is still well alive. You see, we use the Dolly memo, post-secretarial discretion, non-priority case. Even if the case was priority, we were still going to mitigate circumstances. My friend, this is how we do it. That's the job we do. We're here to convince, we're here to persuade, we're here to plead for your cause. This is the job of the lawyer, to advocate, okay? This is your chance. If you want to reopen your case, this is the time. My friend, we have done it before. Even where it was denied, we will redo it again. It just depends on the person who gets your case, and it just depends on the circumstances why your case was basically denied the first time. So we're here to help you. Trust us to help you. Help us help you. If you need a lawyer, you don't have one, you can always call 202-751-2180. You can schedule a consultation again by using the consultation link in the description box below. My friend, this is great news. We're so excited. We're so happy when someone can finally, go see their family, their mother, their father. It's just a joy to us, because remember, I've been traveling for the last 1 week, and now she'll be able to do that too. She will travel the world, and she has the money for it. She has the job that, pays to travel. So, this is it. This is your time. Dolly memo is still alive. Again, I'm not gonna, and we do offer loans in terms of if you do not have the money up front to retain a lawyer, you can always offer a loan. And this is ICE Baltimore. I just received the email today. I'll post it in the, I'm just gonna type it conceal my client identity, but I'll post the email on my community tab so you can see poof at end. This is it. Please like, please subscribe. Don't forget to comment below. Also share with your friends, family member. Until next time, bye-bye. I am back, right, for business, and this is the great business.